Good morning! I figured I'd start with an intro for the first time this way. Might be a nice way to introduce myself. I'm Charlie. I probably should have said that long ago. Anyway, we're going to go out and take care of the animals this morning, and the first thing we want to do is start right here at the freezer. Let's take some leftovers. That looks absolutely freaking horrific, but I mean, yeah, for chickens, it's great. All right, now we're off. I'm excited to see how everybody is doing this morning. So I think the new birds are probably quite happily. I'm hoping they're adjusted. They certainly put themselves to bed well enough last night, which was good to see. All right, leave that there. 10 minutes on that thing. Let's get a little water. Water. Oh, looks like Comcast turned our internet back on. That's very thoughtful, Comcast. Maybe I can actually turn my water on. Let's see if that'll work. Nothing quite like waking up in the morning and trying to get your day started, only to find an outage message from your internet provider. We're doing scheduled maintenance. Oh, none of that stuff's on yet. So the internet must have just come back up, which means it will take the router and the hubs a good chunk of time to figure life out again. But at least we've got it back, so I'll be happy about that. Our new rooster's here. Last night I found that buff rooster on the far side. This disgusting tank. I have a big plan for that today. So look for a video for that today. I'm hoping to take care of that in a way. I had a, I think, halfway inspired idea. morning, everybody. How we all doing? He's in there. How are the girls doing this morning? Yuck, we'll take care of your water today. We'll take care of the big water tank. See what my plan does. How it works out. I'm going to check it one more time, see if the Wi-Fi is awake yet. Survey says, oh, it thinks it is. Still saying everything's offline. Whamp, whamp, whamp. All right. Let's break up this bag a little bit here so it gets into pieces. What do I have that'll work on? I'll put it right here. I don't know what that is. Huh. Well, it's not really wanting to break apart, and now things are getting a little weird, so let's just go ahead and put it out as is. What do you say? Now that... what is in here? It's a frozen block of something. It's all frozen together. All right, well, that is what we then call a chicken project. They'll have a good time with that. And the fact that it's frozen simply means it will last longer for them. And since we seem to have those new birds who are not being super brave yet, let me leave a little scratch kind of around up here just for them. That bowl went in for their water bowl, but I've got another bowl down here that hasn't been in use for a while. Let's see who's awake and ready to come out. Okie dokie, everybody. How are we doing? I got a couple of eggs right here. Let's get those out of the way. Do I see Kevin? I'm getting strafed by a lot of chickens, so let me just get out of the way while the excitement happens here. I see Kevin, right there in front. Good morning. Let's hope Kevin gets carried up in the excitement and comes out with everybody else. I see the lights for the duck tank appear to be operating. Thank you, Comcast. Yeah, like every darn online system screws up when either Comcast gives us a service out or Excel Energy bails on us. Good morning, everybody! Leave you two right there for now. How we doing? Hi, Merida. Good morning. Hi, Cece. Hi, Louie. Sassy, you're over to say good morning, huh? Hi, Callie. Oh, Billy, good morning. Hi, Etta. Good morning, Cece. Did you all sleep well? Yeah? You have a good night? What do you think? Ready for a big old day? You sweet girls. And boys, yes. Okay. Out, please. Come on, Cece. We've done this before. You too, Mr. Miles. Billy, wrong way. Wrong way, Billy. If you stay over here, I can't get you hay and food. You know this. We've done that before. There we go. Thank you, everybody. Is this all fluff? I see grass in there. I don't think you all finished that. I don't think you wanted that bad enough. So we're going to leave you that chunk. I'm going to pick through it some more. Not as much in here. A little bit. Yeah, let's put this one over here. And if they want to go play with it, they can. Good morning, duck. Let's see. I think they're over there playing with a giant wad of frozen food. Hey, 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 hey. Christoph is making trouble, huh? Oh, this hay pile is getting so small. Good morning. Good morning to you. Hey, Kevin, you made it out. Look at you. Good morning, Kevin. I'm so proud of you. Welcome to the barnyard. Let's even do a little quick video I can send to the family. They'll be happy to see it. Good morning, Kevin. You and your friends made it out of the coop this morning. Yay! And we will send that to the family. And this hay didn't want to come out with. Right now I'm making a mess. Start here. Well, Kevin, I know what you really wanted was to get out of that other area. Now you got all the room to run that you can have. That's exciting, isn't it? Welcome to the barnyard. Now you can be the turkey you always wanted to be. You sure can. Oh, it's very loud. They have plenty of grass in there, so I don't feel too bad. Good morning, friends. All right, my goat and sheep avalanche. Are you ready to unleash? I think so. Easy peasy, Louie. And away you go. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, 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 da. Oh, do I have 3 goats still over here? All right, I won't torture you this morning. Here you go. Christoph, come around, buddy. You're in the wrong spot. All right, I'll let you through. Just because I'm nice. They can have a little more. Oh yeah, are you fast enough to beat me? Not today. I think we're in great shape. And now here is the real payoff of having moved those chickens, because now I have one chore less. I don't have to go over and take care of that pen. And before long, I'll take that pen down and actually reclaim that space. That's kind of a cool pen because it collapses into the panels and I can store it quite nicely and then pop it up when we need it. And their whole structure in there I built with pallets, so everything should be very easy to take down. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to go inside and do a little surgery on the old internet goop. I'm gonna do one more peek for Kevin, because I can. It's kind of fun. Let's see if we see the bands of the other chickens. Hi everybody. Where'd you go, Kev? You went back in and went up on the roost? You can come hang out here, Kevin. That's perfectly okay. You do that. Are you gonna come back out? Well, come out here and get some food, everybody. And you have all the other blue and orange brands, all of our other Bronco banded chickens are hanging out up there. All right. Let me see, make sure I get the picture there. There's Kevin, finally coming down again, showing his friends, her friends, how to do it. There you go, Kev. Hey, come on out and have a great day. Hopefully your friends will follow your lead. Well done.